Hi guys, this is Katja with Creative Image Studio. Today I'm sharing what I'm calling a mini album or a mailable mini album because you can put it through the mail and well, it folds out. I will show you not only what it looks like on the inside, but I will also show you how I decorated the front. So it's a mini tutorial, I guess, on decorating, giving you some ideas, I hope, on what you could do, because I kept it flat on purpose, because as I said, I wanted to go through the mail without having a thick envelope. So yeah, let's take a look inside. So let's take a look on the outside. So I did some die cutting, several flowers here, and I layered them from large to small one here, added some blings in the centers. I also die cut a lot of leaves here, so branches and curls, and these are all Kayalis dies. And then these die cuts here, these three, are from the paper collection, the paper pad actually. And that paper pad is this one. So it's called Paper Designer. I think it's the brand. And it's 6 by 6 inches with 24 pattern papers and some die cut sheets. So I used a couple of those. And the nice thing of this project is that it will take exactly 12 of these papers. So if you have a pad of 24 papers, you can do 2 booklets and then you will be out of paper. So it's a great project to use up all of your paper pads and not having anything left over. So I stamped congratulations in Dutch, and this is a teeny tiny printed sentiment. I don't know who came up with that to print it that small, but it says, dance like there's nobody watching, love like you'll never be heard, sing like there's nobody listening, and live like it's heaven on earth. So you'll probably need some reading glasses or 3 of those to be able to read this, but I love the colors and the gold foiling, so I decided to use it anyway. Plus, the birthday girl that this is going to was a ballet dancer, so I like that it's about dancing and living a joyful life. So let's open it up. So the thing is, there are so many papers here, so 12 plus the cardstock, that the paper is heavy enough to not need any closure. So you could do a closure with a ribbon or a magnetized closure if you like. But you don't need it, so this is the proof of that. It stays closed. And there's several flaps. Now you could do some pictures here if you want, or write some extra messages or some sentiments. So open it up. Same goes here. Place to journal or write something. And lots of room for pictures. So this will be a group gift. I will give this with 3 other colleagues to a 5th colleague. So here we will write our birthday wishes, and then here I will put some pictures of the team, the 5 of us together, or some activities that we did. So this will be a tiny photo album, and I'll probably fill the other flaps as well, like these. This is a lovely wallpaper kind of flap, so here as well. So there will be some pictures here, guys. And then this is the back, so lovely roses. So this is a very vintage themed, rose themed paper, and I like it a lot. So yeah, it's a very simple project, so let's move on to the tutorial.
you liked what you saw. Now, in the meantime, between the part of the video that I just showed you and now, I filled up this little baby with some pictures so I can show you what it looks like with pictures. So let's take a very quick look. So here I did the first two panels on the inside, and I went around it with stickles as well to add some color and interest, and then flapping it open on both sides. Let's do it like this, and then flapping it open once again and once again. And here you can see the notes that we wrote for the birthday girl and some lovely pictures that we did. So there you go. So doesn't this look nice as a birthday card? I thought so, and I'm sure, or well, at least I'm hoping that she will enjoy receiving this little gift. Also, again, one of my group gift ideas, as I like to call them. So when you are with a group of people, like your family or some colleagues, giving a card or a gift with the group or as a group to one person, these kind of things are ideal because you can fill them up with pictures of the group and the person that you share time with, and you can write your messages as a group into this card. So it's always a fun way to give one gift with a group of people. So hoping to have inspired you with this idea. Now, if you want to make this yourself, and if you need any measurements for this, the tutorial for this little thing, the video tutorial, is a part of my video tutorial series for my latest mini album, which I'm calling Double Stacked 2. And if you purchase that, you will find the tutorial and all of the measurements, where to score, how to cut, and where to cut, and well, anyway, all of the details. You will find it included in that tutorial. So there's no separate one because it is an integral part to one of my, well, the project that I just mentioned, the Double Stack 2. And I hope you liked the little look into my decorations and how I do that, and the way I use the die cuts and the way I use the punch outs from the collection and combining the two. So press the thumbs up if you like this video, and I will see you next time. Thank you for watching.